How to Become a System Administrator, Expert Guide for 2025. Introduction.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The effective operation of an organization's information systems depends on sysadmins or system administrators. They are all in charge of setting up, keeping, and bug fixing the servers, systems, and computer networks that firms typically use. Knowledge of systems administrator interview questions and answers can help aspiring sysadmins prepare for this critical role. System administrators, who ensure negligible breakdowns and the highest productivity, are the true heroes behind smooth business operations, as if they work for smaller companies or large multinational corporations. The need for qualified sysadmins is going to grow in today's rapidly changing surroundings as more and more businesses implement trying to cut IT systems. This team ensures that everything runs smoothly and securely, from user access to data to storage, acting as a bridge between innovation and marketing. A career in system network management can be exciting and satisfying if you like to solve challenging technical issues, keep up with emerging technologies, and preserve system stability. This guide will give you a roadmap for becoming a system administrator, finish with education requirements, skills needed, and good tips for success. You'll discover informative information help to you succeed in this rapid sector, regardless of whether you're starting or looking to change careers. Why choose a career as a system administrator? A career in system administration is dynamic and in high demand. As organizations rely heavily on IT infrastructure, the role of system administrators continues to grow in importance. Here's why this career path is worth considering. High demand. Businesses across industries need skilled professionals to maintain their IT systems. Competitive salaries. System administrators often earn competitive salaries with room for growth. Continuous learning. With evolving technologies like cloud computing, cybersecurity, and virtualization, this field offers constant learning opportunities. Career progression. Many sysadmins advance to roles such as IT managers, cloud architects, or security specialists. Steps on how to become a system administrator. 1. Build a strong technical foundation. To become a system administrator, start by building your knowledge of IT fundamentals. Understanding how computers, servers, and networks operate is crucial. Focus on learning operating systems. Develop your knowledge of Linux, Mac OS, and Windows Server. Networking fundamentals. Learn about IP configurations, Internet Protocol, and debugging techniques. Hardware management. Learn about system components, storage devices, and server configurations. 2. Pursue relevant education. A bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or an effective comparable discipline can foundation, though it is not needed. However, many professionals succeed by combining online courses and certifications. 3. Obtain key certifications. Certifications are highly valued in the IT industry and demonstrate your expertise. Some popular certifications include CompTIA Network Plus, highlights troubleshooting and networking guidelines. Azure Administrator Associate Microsoft Certified, verification proficiency in cloud service planning. Red Hat Certified System Administrator, RHCSA shows skill set with Linux-based systems. CompTIA Security Plus, desirable for those taking an interest in system security education. 4. Get practical experience. Knowing real-world problems requires experience. Actively looked for entry-level positions like IT support technician, assistance desk analyst, or junior system administrator, as well as paid internships. With practical experience, it will be simpler to apply theoretical knowledge to solve complex problems. 5. Stay updated with industry trends. The IT field is evolving rapidly. Stay ahead by learning about emerging technologies and best practices. Cloud computing, platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are vital. Cybersecurity, protecting systems and data is increasingly critical. Automation tools, learn about tools like Ansible and Puppet to automate routine tasks. Virtualization, understand tools like VMware for efficient resource management. 6. Build a strong professional network. Connect with other system administrators and IT professionals through networking events, LinkedIn, and online forums. Engaging with a community of experts can provide mentorship and keep you updated on industry trends.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.